Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Blurams 2K Full View A12S home security camera. This thing is such a cute little security camera. It can do a full 360, so you can really get this thing at the perfect angle, and it also folds up like so. You can easily mount it up on your wall if you like. It's got 2 screw holes. It's got the accessories included, screws, drywall hooks to go ahead and mount that if you like. But I prefer just like setting it on a tabletop, and you can really get the angle just the way you want thanks to this hinge on the back here. It's got a slot for a micro SD card right here to save the footage onto, so you do not have to pay any type of monthly subscription, but you can take advantage of Blurams cloud storage within the app. It comes with a USB-C cable for powering this thing up. It's nice and lengthy, as well as a wall brick to plug it into your wall. So here is a test of the video quality as well as the audio quality. And here you can see the controls underneath the video. You can take a snapshot. You can record a video. You can also trigger an alarm. And you can talk to the camera, and the person behind the camera can also talk back to you. Here is the library where you can see all the motion and the sound events. Here's a look at what the notifications appear as. So as you can see, we got sound detection notifications as well as motion detection notifications. And it can also tell using AI whether it's like a person. As you can see here, it says someone appears. So overall, this Blurams Full View home security camera is great since it has two-way talk, motion detection, infrared night vision, basically all the modern features of a home security camera in a very nice, cute, small package. Overall, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.